Now, just to show the before, when I tell people that my desk is an absolute trashed nightmare of a mess, and people say, oh yeah, mine ends up like that as well, I'm betting it doesn't look anything like this. I'm going to show you how bad it's got by me just like doing lots of things at once, not putting things away as I go along, and yeah, it's just all madness. So I'm going to do like this before shot, and I'm going to video myself doing it, sorting it out and getting it cleared and put how it should be, and then the lovely end bit. But yeah, it starts on the floor, goes into the cupboards, cue the scary music. Oh, and there's more floor as well, boxes and boxes and boxes of things I haven't even opened yet. Yeah, so it's going to get sorted. tidy in the cupboard, all in its right boxes. That's my organised space. More organised than it was, I know. One big box instead of loads of little boxes. And yeah, I'm very proud of myself because I got it done.